The latest COVID-19 numbers show 8% of Missouri COVID-19 tests are coming back positive. That's down 5 points from September 1st. Last available numbers from Kansas show a positivity rate of 8.2%, which is also down from September 1st. We're going to get new numbers from Kansas today. And the country is making progress against the virus that has rearranged our lives for almost 2 years now. Well, there's word of a new medication and a drop in the caseload. ABC's Aaron Katersky has the latest.
The country is nearing a milestone in the pandemic fight. Today, Merck asking federal regulators to authorize the first antiviral pill to treat COVID-19.
This is the first oral antiviral that will be available to combat COVID-19.
Clinical data suggests that for a person testing positive, 4 pills taken at home every 12 hours for 5 days can reduce the risk of hospitalization or death by 50%. It's no replacement for the vaccines. And this week, the FDA's science advisors will discuss booster shots for Moderna and Johnson & Johnson recipients. Dr. Anthony Fauci saying as long as you're vaccinated, Halloween should be safe.
It's a good time to reflect on why it's important to get vaccinated, but go out there and enjoy Halloween as well as the other holidays that will be coming up.
The 7-day average of daily new coronavirus cases has dipped below 100,000 for the first time in almost 3 months. Hospitalizations and deaths are also down. But doctors are seeing an increase in the pediatric inflammatory disease associated with COVID-19.
We know that the Delta variant has really impacted kids more than previous waves have done. And so it's not really that big of a surprise. A couple weeks after your first cases of COVID start rolling in, then you start seeing your MIS-C cases roll in.
In Utah, Sharella Ruffin's 6-year-old son Zaire contracted the rare syndrome.
How can something like that take over your kid's life in like a week? I'm not understanding that. No mother should ever have to hear that your baby might not make it.
It's another reason why public health officials say parents should vaccinate their children. Federal regulators could authorize Pfizer's shot for 5 to 11-year-olds by the end of the month.
And back to the news from drug maker Merck. Well, what side effects could there be with this new pill? Well, to fight COVID-19, of course. Doctors at the University of Kansas Health System are saying it's still a big question, and it will be until Merck publishes information.
The earliest studies that are done in any drug development is really the safety study. So the only thing we have to go on is that their later studies look good, so we have to assume the side effect profile looks good, but we haven't seen it completely. And once they are able to submit that data to the FDA or make it publicly available, we'll be able to take a look at it.
Well, the doctors say they do know there's a possibility of birth defects, so anyone taking the pill should not conceive for several days after starting the treatment. And meanwhile, hundreds of thousands of U.S. military members still have yet to get the required COVID-19 vaccines. According to the Washington Post, the Navy leads in vaccine numbers with 90% of active duty members vaccinated. The Army is second with 81%, followed by the Marine Corps with 72%, and Army Reserve and National Guard units both are at around 40%. The Pentagon says it's sure that a vast majority of service members will likely be vaccinated in time. Meanwhile, this afternoon, the Johnson County Department of Health and Environment is going to be at the Overland Park Jewish Community Center today to offer COVID-19 vaccines. They'll be available till 2 p.m. Everyone 12 and older is able to get a shot, but anyone 15 and younger must have an adult with them. No appointment is needed. And nonprofit One Sight's worried that people have been skipping out on eye appointments since the start of the pandemic. Well, we know that starting today and lasting through Friday, it'll host free vision clinics in Kansas City, Missouri for those in need. They're going to be at the Kansas City University of Medicine and Biosciences from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. And these clinics will provide vision exams and even glasses. And for the very latest on the COVID-19 pandemic at home and across the United States and information on where to get COVID-19 vaccines around the metro, just head to the coronavirus tab on our website, kabc.com. You can also download our app from the Google Play and Apple App Stores.